Forget Paris. This is where travelers are going in 2025. Welcome to Zanzibar, the most underrated travel destination of the year. Located off the coast of Tanzania, this island paradise boasts everything from pristine white sand beaches to bustling spice markets. Picture this: turquoise waters so crystal clear you can spot tropical fish while standing on the shore. But there's more to Zanzibar than breathtaking views. Let's dive deeper into what makes this island special. First, travel without breaking the bank. Hotels and Airbnbs here cost a fraction of what you'd pay in more mainstream destinations. Bonus, you can indulge in fresh seafood meals for as low as $3. Pro tip: always negotiate prices in the local markets. It's part of their culture and can be a fun experience. Calling all adventure seekers. Explore Zanzibar's hidden gems, like Jozani Forest, where you can spot the endemic red colobus monkeys. Don't miss Blue Safari, where you'll sail on a traditional dhow boat and explore untouched sandbars. For history buffs, Stone Town is a labyrinth of culture, history, and spice. Yes, spice. Zanzibar is known as the Spice Island, and you can take a guided tour of local spice farms. This place is also super safe and welcoming for all travelers, including Black and LGBTQ+ tourists. Zanzibar's rising tourism industry is rooted in promoting inclusivity. Whether you're here for a serene escape or captivating culture, you'll feel celebrated. So why wait? Pack light, bring your sense of adventure, and head to Zanzibar, your 2025 dream destination. Subscribe for your next adventure, and let's keep the Wanderlust alive.